Ever feel like time slips through your fingers, especially when you're juggling appointments, travel, and on-site work? You're not alone. For field service professionals, keeping accurate track of your work hours is crucial, not just for getting paid correctly, but also for understanding project costs, improving efficiency, and ultimately growing your business. Think about it. Those few minutes spent searching for the right tool, that unexpected delay at a job site, the travel time between appointments, it all adds up. Without a reliable system for tracking when you start and finish your work, you could be leaving money on the table or miscalculating job profitability. Now, imagine a tool that seamlessly integrates with your workflow, making clocking in and out as easy as a tap on your phone. A tool that not only records your time but also ties it to specific jobs, allowing for accurate billing and insightful reporting. That tool, for many of you, is likely already in your pocket: Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro isn't just about scheduling and invoicing. It's a comprehensive platform designed to streamline your entire field service operation. And a key component of that is its robust time tracking feature. Whether you're a solo operator or part of a growing team, mastering the clock-in and clock-out functionality within Housecall Pro can be a game-changer for your business. So, how exactly do you leverage this powerful feature? Let's dive in and explore the various ways you can clock in and out using Housecall Pro, ensuring every billable minute is accounted for. The most straightforward way to clock in is directly through the Housecall Pro mobile app. This is perfect for when you're starting your workday or arriving at a job site. Simply open the app on your phone or tablet. On the main dashboard, you'll typically find a prominent clock in button. Give it a tap, and just like that, your time tracking has begun. But it doesn't stop there. Housecall Pro offers flexibility. What if you're already viewing a specific job? You can often clock in directly from the job details screen. Look for a clock icon or a clock-in option associated with that particular appointment. This is incredibly convenient as it automatically links your time to the correct job, eliminating the need for manual entry later. Now, let's talk about clocking out. When your workday is done or you're leaving a job site, the process is just as simple. Navigate back to the main dashboard or the job details screen. If you clocked in from there, you'll now see a clock out button. Tap it and Housecall Pro will record your end time. But what if you need to take a break? Housecall Pro has you covered there too. Instead of clocking out entirely, you'll usually find a start break option. Tapping this will pause your active work time. When your break is over, you'll see an end break button to resume tracking your billable hours. This ensures accurate accounting for non-billable time. For those who primarily work from a computer or prefer a larger interface, Housecall Pro also allows you to clock in and out via the web portal. Once you've logged into your account on your computer, look for a clock-in/clock-out section, often located in the navigation bar or on the main overview page. The functionality is similar to the mobile app. A clear button to start your time, another to end it, and options for breaks. One of the significant advantages of using Housecall Pro for time tracking is its seamless integration with other features. When you clock in on a specific job, that time is automatically associated with that appointment. This makes invoicing a breeze, as you can easily pull the recorded time entries directly into your invoices, ensuring accurate billing for your labor. Furthermore, the time tracking data feeds into Housecall Pro's reporting features. You can generate reports to see how much time is being spent on different types of jobs, identify your most efficient team members, and gain valuable insights into your labor costs. This data can be crucial for making informed decisions about pricing, resource allocation, and overall business strategy. Beyond the basic clock-in and clock-out functions, Housecall Pro offers additional features that enhance time tracking accuracy and efficiency. For example, some plans allow for GPS tracking, which can provide a geographical context to your time entries and help verify travel time. This can be particularly useful for teams that are constantly on the move. Another helpful feature is the ability to add notes to your time entries. This can be useful for providing context to your work, explaining any deviations from the schedule, or simply keeping a detailed record of your activities. For team management, Housecall Pro provides administrators with the ability to view and manage team members' time entries. This includes approving timesheets, making adjustments if necessary, and generating payroll reports. This centralized system streamlines the payroll process and reduces the chances of errors. To ensure accurate timekeeping, it's crucial to establish clear protocols for your team. Make sure everyone understands the importance of clocking in and out consistently and correctly. Regular training and clear communication can help prevent errors and ensure everyone is on the same page. Encourage your team to clock in when they start their workday, when they arrive at a job site, when they start a break, when they return from a break, when they leave a job site, and when they finish their workday. Consistency is key to getting the most out of Housecall Pro's time tracking features. Take some time to explore the settings and options related to time tracking within your Housecall Pro account. You might find additional features or customization options that can further optimize your workflow. Familiarize yourself with the reporting capabilities to unlock valuable insights into your business operations. By consistently and effectively using the clock-in and clock-out features in Housecall Pro, you're not just tracking time. You're gaining control over your business. You're ensuring accurate billing, understanding your labor costs, improving efficiency, and ultimately, setting your business up for greater success. It's a simple yet powerful tool that, when used correctly, can have a significant impact on your bottom line. So, take the time to master this essential feature and watch your business thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.